Hello, good day. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself to your family. I hope you're in good condition while watching this video. I'm Vanessa Marigumanig, 30 years old, single, live in Balbiliran, Philippines, high school graduate. I have 6 brothers, and I'm a second member of the family. My hobbies are singing, dancing, and gardening. I'm honest, patient, trustworthy, hardworking, friendly, and a cheerful person. I work here as a house helper in the Philippines for 2 years for 5 members of the family. 1 toddler, 2 kids, and 2 adults. Ages 2, 5, 7. My duties are cleaning the house, wash and ironing the clothes, wash the dishes, preparing food for the kids when they go to school, arrange and organize the things of my employer, preparing food for the family. My second work here in the Philippines for 1 year for 2 members of the family. Ages 8 and 54. My duties are cleaning the house, gardening, marketing, cook food for them, arrange and organize the stuff here in the house, send the kids to the school when they have. I can cook a simple Filipino food and a simple Chinese food like steamed vegetable, steamed pork, noodles, and soup. My previous relationship with my employer were good. I treat them as my own family and they treat me as a member of the family. Hello, mom and sir. I hope you choose me to work on your family. I promise to do my best and my duties and responsibilities to do. And I would love to take good care of your kids if you have. I will respect and treat your family as my own family. I hope I will finish my contract and willing to renew as long as you want me. Take care and God bless. Thank you.